We'll start with the prayer, and I take the prayer which is used in CYP, Common Yoga Protocol. Uh, the same practice, the same prayer we take today. And let me tell about that prayer before we go to that prayer. Uh, this this mantra is taken from Rig Veda, the oldest scripture. The meaning of that mantra is, may we move to harmony. May we speak in one voice. Let our mind be in a same direction. We sacrifice just like ancient God shared their portion of sacrifice. So sit comfortably. We'll start practice with the mantra, with the prayer. Sit in any meditative posture, Padmasana, Sukhasana, any meditative, comfortable posture for you. Even you can sit on chair or on your sofa. Keep your back straight, eyes closed. Join your both the palms for prayer. Let's have all together. Sangachadvam samvadadvam Sambho manansi janata Deva bhagam yatha purve Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate. Rub your both the palms and then slowly move your palm on your face, on your eyes, on your ears, and then slowly take your hands back on the knees and relax, relax, relax. Now we'll go for practice part, and we'll start practice with deep breathing. So sit comfortably again. Whatever sitting position you have, you sit comfortably. Keep your back straight. You may keep your both the hands in Jnana Mudra if you can, or simply keep it on your knees, your back straight, your neck straight, eyes closed, and observe your breath. Simply observe your breath for a few seconds. Do not force, do not restrict. Just watch your breath for a few seconds. And now you start deep inhalation. Inhale deeply. Take your own time. Do not do it in hurry. Fill your lungs, fill your stomach. Stretch up your body. Inhale 100%, and then without holding, you start breathing out. Slow, prolonged breathe out. दीर्घ रेचक, लंबा रेचक होने दीजिए. श्वास छोड़ना, इसको रेचक कहते हैं. जारी रखिए इस तरह से. Deep inhalation, 10 breaths at least. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. This kriya is also known as prana karshan kriya. We take prana tattva from atmosphere, prana vayu, prana tattva. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. One of the best kriya. आपका मन शांत होता है, चित्त स्थिर होता है. We take almost 10 times more air in this kriya than normal breath. Our lungs get more oxygen, resulting more blood purification. पूरे शरीर के सभी नर्व्स को, सभी ऑर्गन्स को, सभी ग्लैंड्स को ज्यादा मात्रा में प्यूरिफाइड ब्लड सप्लाई होता है. इन सब की एफिशिएंसी बढ़ने लग जाती है. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. The only thing is you should keep your back straight. 3 more deep breaths. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, relax into it. Relax your shoulder. Relax your body. Relax your face. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale this time, relax even more into it. One more deep breath in. And as you exhale this time, complete relaxation. Complete relaxation. Even you relax your spinal cord. You may now open your eyes and relax. Relax. So it was the first practice, deep breathing, प्राणाकर्षण क्रिया, दीर्घ श्वसन, जो भी नाम आप कहें, एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रैक्टिस है आपकी साधना को शुरुआत करने के लिए और आपके बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन लेवल को बढ़ा करके रखने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस. डीप ब्रीदिंग के बाद हम थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं. हम पर्वतासन करेंगे. पर्वतासन ऐसे ही बैठे हुए आप जिस तरह से बैठे हैं, पद्मासना, सुखासना, उसी में बैठे रखिए. आपके कमर से नीचे के हिस्से पूरी तरह से ग्राउंडेड है. हमें हाथों को ऊपर लेकर के जाना है, लाइक ए पर्वत, लाइक ए माउंटेन. हाथों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऊपर की तरफ खींच करके नमस्कार मुद्रा में रखेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट. पर्वतासन. Start inhalation and take your hands from the sideways. Inhale, inhale slowly. Do not do it in hurry. Join your palm there and stretch your body upward. धीरे से खींच दीजिए थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ. Stretch up your side muscles, rib cage, and hold with normal breath. Parvatasana. कमर से नीचे के हिस्से ग्राउंडेड है. ऊपर का बॉडी स्ट्रेच अप हो रहा है, जस्ट लाइक ए माउंटेन. माउंटेन का बेस बड़ा होता है और टॉप छोटा होता है. सेम वे हम बॉडी के पोस्चर को बना रहे हैं. पर्वतासन. नाउ स्लोली टेक योर हैंड्स बैक विथ एक्सहेलेशन. धीरे से अलाउ योर हैंड्स टू कम बैक स्लोली. डू नॉट डू इट इन हरी. वेरी स्लोली टेक योर हैंड्स बैक. Parvatasana, one of the best practice to improve your lungs capacity. Once again, we'll go in Parvatasana. We'll have 2 more variations in this. Let's go. I'll inform you what to do in final posture. Now again, inhale and take your hands upward. Synchronize your breath with your kriya. Duration of inhalation and taking your hands upward will be same. Now have normal breath here. Stay there for a few seconds. Now exhale and twist your body towards left. Twist your body towards left. Base is grounded. कमर से नीचे के हिस्से पूरी तरह से जगह पे ही रहेंगे. ऊपर के बॉडी को ट्विस्ट कर दिए लेफ्ट साइड में. Have normal breath there. Wait till 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back and relax. Slowly take your hands down with exhalation and relax. 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 In same manner, we'll go for second variation. Inhale, take your hands upward again. Stretch up your body. Have some normal breath. Now slowly exhale and twist your body towards the right this time. Look at your right side. Twist your body and stay here. Have normal breath. 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center and then take back your hands slowly. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. In front of you. Keep your hands beside your body and then start rotating your feet. Start rotating your ankle joint. Start rotating your ankle joint. Both the feet together. Rotate it in clockwise direction and in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate it by both the. Yes, very good, very good, very good. And relax, relax. Now आपके लेफ्ट पैर को आपके बॉडी के पास लीजिए. Try to get it closer as much as you can and then relax it. Then take your right feet and relax. One by one, you can have both the feet slowly with awareness. बहुत ही सहजता से आपका बॉडी अलाउ करता है उतना ही आप इसे मूव करिए. Okay, and relax, relax. Now we'll go in Vajrasana. If you have any problem like arthritis or knee joint pain, you can avoid this Vajrasana. If you are normal, you can go with me. Bend your right feet first. आपके right feet को bend करिए and just keep it beside your right hip. Do not sit over it, just keep it beside. Then bend your left feet and keep it beside your left hip. Big toes are touching to each other, both the knees together, your body straight. Put your both the palms on your thighs and settle down your breath. You can close your eyes in this final posture, one of the meditative posture, Vajrasana. And relax. Slowly we have first Kapalabhati. We'll have total 2 practices. One is Kapalabhati and second one we'll have Bhramari Pranayama. So get ready for Kapalabhati. You all know Kapalabhati. If any one of you having problem like high blood pressure or epilepsy, you can avoid this practice. The rest all can do. Kapalabhati is one of the Shatkarmas which cleanses our nasal path, nasal cavity, throat region, lungs region, many benefits. Put your both the hands in Dhyan Mudra at your knees, your body straight, eyes closed. Breathe out first. Inhale a little and start throwing out your breath. Stop. Breathe out and stop. Do not inhale. Wait. After pumping of lungs, you have ability to hold. This is known as Bahya Kumbhak, external holding of breath. Now inhale deeply and again hold for 4-5 seconds. This is Antar Kumbhak, internal holding of breath. And now slowly breathe out. Very slowly breathe out. Prolong breathe out. Control breathe out. And relax. And relax. Kapalabhati is very good practice. As I said you before, it is for entire respiratory system. Also, it stimulates our digestion system, Kapalabhati. Now let's go for next practice, that is Brahmari Pranayam. Brahmari Pranayam, it creates a natural nitric acid in nostril area, in nostril cavities, and it kills the germs or bacteria or viruses over there. Brahmari Pranayam, one of the best practice for this COVID era. What we have to do, Brahmari comes from Brahmar, black bee. तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें वो साउंड क्रिएट करना है। भ्रमर गुंजन करते समय जिस तरह का साउंड होता है, ये साउंड हमें क्रिएट करना है। मे बी ये माइक कभी कभी ये कैच नहीं कर पाता, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक्सलेशन के टाइम में, रेचक के टाइम में ये आवाज क्रिएट करना है। पहले नॉर्मल इनहेलेशन होगा एंड देन विल गो फॉर रेचक, एक्सलेशन, और एक्सलेशन में हम ये साउंड करते हुए जाएंगे। You can feel the vibration of Brahmari Pranayam in your mind, and that vibration gives soothing effect to our nervous system. तो वो जो पार्ट है, वाइब्रेशन वाला पार्ट है, जो ब्रीदिंग आउट वाला पार्ट है, दैट वी हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज। जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हैं उतना ज्यादा करने की कोशिश करेंगे। 3 राउंड में हम करते हैं ब्राह्मरी प्राणायाम, 3 ब्रेथ होगा। लेट्स गो फॉर इट। कीप योर हैंड्स ऑन योर नीज, योर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, breathe out first. Now inhale deeply and start your Brahmari Pranayama. Inhale deeply. Start making sound. One more time. And relax. ये प्रैक्टिस पार्ट हमने की। इसको एंड करते करते हम 3 बार महामृत्युंजय मंत्र का भी जप करेंगे। महामृत्युंजय मंत्र, संस्कृत के ऐसे सारे मंत्र ही पावरफुल होते हैं। उसके जो संस्कृत के जो लेटर्स है हमारे बॉडी के डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स पर आघात करते हैं और उसको एक्टिवेट करते हैं। मंत्र योग का पूरा एक ब्रांच ही है, हम अभी उसमें नहीं जाते। लेकिन ये जो मंत्र है महामृत्युंजय मंत्र, दिस इज डेडिकेटेड टू लॉर्ड शिवा। और आपको पता है लॉर्ड शिवा बहुत ही पावरफुल है, ये मंत्र भी बहुत पावरफुल है। तो लेट्स हैव 3 टाइम्स महामृत्युंजय मंत्र ऑल टुगेदर, ओके। और फिर हम आगे क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन पर चलेंगे। द लास्ट प्रैक्टिस, 3 टाइम्स महामृत्युंजय मंत्र। सीधे बैठ जाइए, आपके दोनों हाथ ज्ञान मुद्रा में। Get ready for 3 times Mahamrutyunjay mantra. Om Triyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanan Mrityurmokshayamamrita. Om Triyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षेयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षेयमामृतात्। Rub your both the palms और अपनी गर्म हथेलियों को अपने चेहरे पर, अपने आंखों पर, अपने कानों पर घुमाते हुए उस ऊर्जा को पूरे शरीर में समाहित कर दीजिए। And very slowly, very gently, you may now open your eyes and relax.